can sit on this side and do it.
No stopping.
Huh?
We're stopping at some rides here.
Guys, don't gotta make it one shot for the first, guys. Only one shot gives you any trophy or the $50.
Yep, that would happen to us. I saw somebody hop on when somebody was right there. But we have no room. So, put your hands on. Nice bubble.
Guys, I'm only making one shot for the jersey. Making one shot for any jersey or the $50 you can get from, guys. Come on, who's up?
Stick your hand out.
Shooters is my jersey winners over here, guys. Come on. One shot is for any jersey, guys. Come on.
Yes, somebody does it.
We're at 24th.
This is our side. Wait, look over there.
What?
Like and subscribe right away. Look at the
Oh, yeah.
This is the chair we were at yesterday, the other day.
Tram car.
Boy, they are really close to people here.
What?
They're getting crowded down here.
Nope, we stopped again.
The arcades.
People are getting off, I think.
Is that where you went? 25 cents crane?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're ready for a choice race. It means that the winner carries shoes in the venue. We're ready to start a choice race. Any prize, any size.
Any prize, any bill. Almost hit somebody.
Oh, that's where we got ice cream yesterday.
That's where we had the fries, that's the ice cream.
Yeah.
There's Sam's Pizza over here.
And curly fries behind
Look
you.
at the fries behind us. And it's packed. There's Sam's Pizza, there's a long line. They actually have a thing out there. Go around. Let's go. End of season sale. Same thing with t-shirts. Two for $30. Kids always win a prize.